Hey, good afternoon, Sam. My name is Jonathan Agosto from Triple A SEO. I spoke with you, and as I promised, here's your analysis. So I wanted to get on here real quick and go through your site in this video to do a website audit and show you personally what is holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work and customers. Those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So the very first thing I want to go over is your website. So as you can see, we have your website pulled up here. All right. You have a great design here on your website. Have special offer right there in the middle, so people can actually, call for a free estimate. That's great. Now, what I don't see in your website is enough content. One thing I can tell you about Google is that Google loves content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words in the homepage, and you definitely have less than that. In addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in their eyes. So you will want to beat out your competitors. If they have 1,500 words, you want to have 2,000 words, etc. All right, next, when someone searches for roofing company, Columbus, Georgia, Google is going to crawl all the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google is looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. If you have the exact words roofing company Columbus, Georgia listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. I don't see any of these keywords in your content, so you will want to get those in there as well. I went ahead and did a Google search for that exact keyword. So roofing company Columbus, Georgia. The very first thing Google's going to show is the advertisement. Obviously, people are paying to be listed up there. And so that's the very first thing you see when you actually do a Google search. Right below that, we have what we call the Mac Pack. And the top 3 listed in here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. Some things you can do to get listed in here is have a Google Business Profile, which you have one. Yours, you just have to optimize it so you start showing up here. You want to fill out as much as possible from that profile. For example, your name, your phone number, hours of operation. You want to start adding more pictures to your profile and start getting more review from your past customers, and just fill every single space that you can put information. Go ahead and do it. All right. And lastly, you want to put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. Directories are things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. Doing this will help to greatly power your profile, and you're gonna start showing up here. The website listed below these are what we call the organics. You also want to be listed in the top 3 here so that the most amount of people will find you. So let's take a look at this local competitor site, for example. So we have Superior Roofing, which is the first local competitor showing up. So we click on their website, this is what we see. I just want you to pay attention to the keywords and all the content that this company have. So as you can see here, roofer in Columbus, Georgia, that is a keyword. Roofing services, another keyword. So if you keep going down, you see all the information that they're providing here. So as you can see, they don't even have 1,500 words like Google likes to see on their homepage. So that means that they're gonna be really easy to beat and outrank if you start, adding more keywords and content to your site. But let's take a look at why this website is ranking even though they don't have a lot of content and keywords. So this is a program I use called Aref. If I put their name here, we can see what we are up against. So I want you to understand what DR and UR ratings are. So DR is basically a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. A UR rating means how powerful your website is in Google's eyes. An important way of raising these 2 numbers is through the use of backlinks. Backlinks is essentially a shout out or an endorsement from another website. With these programs, we can actually see what links they have. We can obtain them for your website, and we can start outranking them, with the use of backlinks. So lastly and most importantly are the keywords. So as you can see, they're being found for 307 keywords. So these are the keywords that we were talking about before. Um, you need to start, adding those keywords to your website. So let's take a look at some of the keywords they have. So if you can see here, we have Superior Roofing. They have Columbus Roofing Company, 250 searches every month. So the volume is how many searches per month for that specific keyword. Keyword difficulty is basically how long it will take to rank on the first page of Google once you start adding, that to your website and using the backlinks. All right. So obviously the lower that number, the easiest will be to rank. So Columbus Roofing 250, Columbus Roofing Fair 200. So just these three keywords here, we have 700 searches per month. Imagine all those 700 people were finding you instead of finding Superior Roofing. So let's take a look at your ratings now to see how you compare to Superior Roofing. So this is your website. As you can see, your DR is really low. You have backlinks here. Compared to them, you're pretty close. Now I want to talk over about the importance of getting high quality backlinks that are relevant to what the services you offer. It's not all the backlinks are created equal, right? You want actual good websites, ranking websites, sending people to your site. So you're up there, almost the same amount that they have, but take a look at how many keywords you're being found for compared to them, and take a look at the DR rating here. Again, I'm going to show you theirs. They're being found for 307 keywords. You're only being found for 51. So that's going to be a big difference on the amount of traffic going to your website. So it looks like if you were to get more content and keywords to your site, you increase your UR and DR ratings and get some high quality backlinks, you could actually bring in a lot of calls. So I hope this video was helpful, and I would greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts about it. You can email me any thoughts or questions that you have, or you can actually call me at 407-974-6037. I hope you have a great day.